Hi, I'm JMO from XCase in the UK. Today I'm going to look at the NZXT Panzerbox. Panzerbox? What kind of a name is that? Makes me feel like it's some kind of German tank. I don't know why. Perhaps it is a German tank. Well, it's strong looking, and yes, perhaps I'm right. Anyway, somebody email me and tell me. Right. Okay, so first things first. Hey, I like this case. I like this case a lot. It's kind of Antec 900-ish, but not as big. Pretty tough. Aluminium based. Weirdly wide. Oh, I see why. But I just know this is going to be a great, oh yes, a great gamer's case. I normally start at the front, but I'll go to the back. First of all, you can see these two rather large holes for your water cooling tubes. Well, a lot of the cases have just got poxy small ones, so it's nice to see some good chunky ones. Get some proper airflow there. Well, water flow, should I say. By the way, if you listen to any of my other videos, none of them are edited. I just show you what I see, gabble on about it. So if I break up halfway through or make a mess or forget something, I just apologise in advance. So anyway, where was I? Back to the back. We can see we've got a 90mm fan there. We've got vented expansion slots times 7, and the PSU's mounted at the bottom. Looking at the top of the case, I can see a whopping, I'm going to guess, 200mm fan. In fact, just bear with me. Yeah, 200mm fan on the top, and the top is vented. Also on the top you've got 2 SATA ports, an eSATA, and your normal audio. Let's get this side panel off. Okay, well, one of the big worries with a lot of cases is getting some of the later long video cards in. Let's just not worry about that at all, because as you can see there's just tons of room. It's going to be a little limited, I can see, by the amount of hard drives you're going to be able to add, but I don't think this case is about ultimate storage. It's just about pure gaming. You'll see another whopping 200mm fan on the front there. The fan is blowing across this cage for 2 hard drives. It's got rubber inserts to keep the vibration down. And you've also got space here for another 2 hard drives. Bay-wise, we've got 3 usable 5.25 bays. Your power and reset switch with your activity lights just there. Again, the front is vented. The whole thing's black, external and internal, all made of aluminium. Probably not as nice or well made as, I say, a Lee & Lee, but you know, it's a nice case. Motherboard size, although there's plenty of room in, they haven't made it large enough for the motherboard plate, at least for an extended motherboard, so it's either standard ATX or micro ATX, but masses of height for a good cooler. even taking into account your CPUs are going to be up there, so it's not going to interfere with the power supply at the bottom. So yeah, masses of room. We've got a box of bits, which will just have your motherboard standoffs and screws to fit everything. Although the CD-ROMs are screwless, you just unscrew these. Pour your CD-ROM in, screw them back up again. You do need to use screws in the hard drive bays, but hey, that's not the end of the world, is it? So, here's what I'm thinking. If you're looking for a nice looking case, and it is a nice looking case, I'm going to Google about the old Panzerbox in a minute, see if it is a tank. Ideal for water cooling, ideal if you're not water cooling, ideal if you're looking to put multiple long video cards in. And with some of today's real performance and overclocked machines, something like this really is going to be ideal. Now, 20 minutes ago I looked at another case. Oh, there it is actually. It's a Lian Li. It's a little baby ITX case, which I quite fancied building myself a new PC in with a Zoltec ITX motherboard. Anyway, I've kind of gone off that idea now. Although it's cute and cuddly, it kind of looks a bit see ya compared with this one. So yeah, I'm going to do myself a new PC and I'm going to use this. So this is going to get my thumbs up. Thanks for listening.